Hi everyone, welcome back to this channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to feed the winter penguin and increase spawn fast in Heartopia. In this week 4 of the winter frost event, a new wild animal has arrived, the penguin. You can find its feeding trough near the old sea area, right here, over there, this one. On the map, the locations like on here, like this. And then to increase the pond and unlock rewards faster, you need to give its favorite food. Its favorite food is sardine and then common prawn and the false cat fish. And the penguin also prefers certain weather on the rainy and rainbow. So the fastest strategy is simple, just feed it its favorite foods during its favorite weather. That will give much more points progress compared to normal feeding. And and then just keep feeding daily, raise the bond level, and you will unlock a special reward from the penguin. And okay, maybe that's it. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tutorials. Thanks for watching, and see you.